Good morning, students. Welcome back to 10th Science. Unit 9 Solutions, Part 4. Problems based on solubility and percentage by mass and volume. I hope that you remember our previous class. Let us recall what we learnt in this lesson. Solutions in day-to-day life. Components of solution, that is binary and ternary solution. Types of solutions, aqueous solutions and non-aqueous solution. Saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated solutions. Concentrated and dilute solutions. Solubility and the factors affecting solubility. Mass percentage and volume percentage. Hydrated salt, hygroscopy and deliquescence. Now come to the problems based on solubility and percentage by mass and volume. The first pattern, problems based on solubility. The first problem, 1.5 gram of solute is dissolved in 15 gram of water to form a saturated solution at 298 Kelvin. Find out the solubility of a solute at the temperature. In this problem, what is given? Solute is given and the solvent is given. What is asking? You have to find the solubility. Solubility means you have to find out the 100 gram. So, mass of the solute is equal to 1.5 gram. And mass of the solvent, that is water, 15 gram. Okay. Now, what is asking? Solubility. The formula of solubility of the solute is equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solvent into 100. Now come to the solution. Solubility of the solute is equal to solute 1.5 by 15 mass of the solvent into 100. You can get the answer, that is 10 gram. Now come to the second problem. Find the mass of potassium chloride, KCl, would be needed to form a saturated solution in 60 gram of water at 303 Kelvin. What is given means, given that the solubility of KCl is 37 in 100 gram in 37 gram at this temperature. Here what is given? Mass of potassium chloride in 100 gram of water in saturated solution is equal to 37 gram. But what is asking? 60 gram is asking. So, the solution mass of potassium chloride in 60 gram of water in the saturated solution is equal to 37 by 100 into 60. You have to cancel it and you have to multiply 37 multiply with 6. You can get the answer 22.2 gram. This is the mass of potassium chloride in 60 gram of water. Now come to the third problem. What is the mass of sodium chloride, NaCl, that would be needed to form a saturated solution in 50 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius? Solubility of NaCl, sodium chloride, is 36 gram at 30 degrees Celsius. So, what is given? Solubility of sodium chloride. So, in 100, solubility means in 100 gram, the 36 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 100 gram of water. That is given in the question. So, what is given? At 30 degrees Celsius, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water. So, therefore, the mass of sodium chloride that would be needed for 100 gram of water, that is the solubility means 100 gram of water, that is equal to 36 gram. But what is asking? 50 gram. So, solution mass of sodium chloride dissolved in 50 gram of water. 100 gram, it is 36. So, you have to find 50 means into 50. 0, 0 cancel, and you have to cancel 5 and 10 means 36 by 2, that is equal to 18 gram. This is the mass of sodium chloride that is dissolved in 50 gram of water, that is equal to 18 gram. Now come to the fourth problem. The solubility of sodium nitrate. Solubility means 100 gram. Solubility of sodium nitrate at 50 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius is 114 gram and 96 gram respectively. This is given. Find the amount of salt. Amount means you have to find the mass of the solute that will be thrown out when a saturated solution of sodium nitrate containing 50 gram of water is cooled from 50 degrees Celsius to 36 degrees Celsius. So here what is given? Solubility, the amount of sodium nitrate dissolved in, solubility means 100 gram of water at 50 degrees Celsius is 114 gram and at 30 degrees Celsius is 96 gram. So it is given. You have to find the 50 gram. So the amount of sodium nitrate dissolving in 50 gram of water at 50 degrees Celsius is equal to 114 by 100 into 50. Into 50, you have to cancel 0, 0 and you have to cancel 5 and 10. So 114 by 2, that is equal to 57 gram. The next one, similarly, the amount of sodium nitrate NaNO3 dissolving in 50 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius is equal to 96 by 100 into 50. The same way you have to cancel 0, 0 and cancel 5 and 10 means 96 by 2, that is equal to 48 gram. And one more question is asking, the water is cooled from 50 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. So the salt, the amount of sodium nitrate thrown from when 50 gram of water is cooled from 50 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius is 57, that is 50 gram means 57 minus 30 degrees Celsius, already find here, that is 48, that is equal to 9 gram. This is the if 50 gram of water is cooled from 50 degrees Celsius to 30 degree Celsius, the answer is 9 gram. This is the mass of sodium nitrate. Yes. Now, the problem based on mass percentage. Mass percentage means it is expressed in weight by weight, that is W by W. So the first question here, a solution was prepared by dissolving 25 gram of sugar in 100 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of solute. What is given? Solute is given, that is sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Mass of the sugar, that is solute, is equal to 25 gram. Then mass of the solvent, water, is equal to 100 gram. What is asking? Mass percentage. So the formula of mass percentage is equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent into 100. Solute, that is equal to 25 by 25 plus 100 into 100. That is equal to 25 by 125 into 100. You have to cancel it and you have to multiply it. You can get the answer, that is equal to 20%. Now, come to the next question, that is 16 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius to form a saturated solution. Find the mass percentage of solute and solvent. Now come to the question, what is given means the solute, NaOH is the solute. The solvent, that is water, 100 gram of water it is given. And what is asking? Find the mass percentage of solute and solvent. Here mass percentage is expressed in W by W. So here what is given means the mass of the solute NaOH is equal to 16 gram. Mass of the solvent water, that is equal to 100 gram. It is given, and first you have to find the mass percentage of the solute. Mass percentage of the solute is equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent into 100. So mass of the solute 16 by 16 plus 100 into 100. So 16 by 116 into 100, you have to multiply it and you divide it, you can get the answer 13.79 percentage. This is the mass percentage of solute. Now you have to find the mass percentage of solvent. So mass percentage of solvent is equal to 100 minus mass percentage of the solute. So 100 minus 13.79, that is equal to 86.21 percentage. This is the mass percentage of the solvent. Then find the amount of urea which is to be dissolved in water to get 500 gram of 10% W by W aqueous solution. So mass, it is expressed in W by W. Here what is asking? Find the amount of urea. Urea means this is the amount of the mass of the solute is asking. What is given means the aqueous solution is 500 gram. Here the mass percentage is 10%. So given mass of aqueous solution is equal to 500 gram. Mass percentage is equal to 10. And solution mass percentage is W by W equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. Now substitute here mass percentage, that is equal to 10. Mass of the solute here, that is urea. So mass of the urea you have to calculate. Mass of the solution 500 into 100. You have to cancel the 0 and you have to cross multiply 10 into 5, that is equal to 50 grams. So the amount of urea or the mass of urea, that is equal to 50 gram. The third pattern, problem based on volume percentage. So volume percentage, it is expressed in V by V. The first one, a solution is made from 35 ml of methanol and 65 ml of water. Calculate the volume percentage. Here what is given? The solute is given. Methanol is the solute, 35 ml. And which is the solvent? Water is the solvent, that is 65 ml. So what is given? Volume of methanol solute, that is equal to 35 ml. Volume of water, that is the solvent, that is equal to 65 ml. And what you have to calculate? Volume percentage. So solution volume percentage is equal to volume of solute by volume of solute plus volume of the solvent into 100, that is equal to 35 by 35 plus 65 into 100. So 35 by 100 into 100, you cancel 100 and 100, you can get the answer 35%. So the volume percentage is equal to 35%. Now come to the next question. Calculate the volume of ethanol in 200 ml of solution of 20% of V bar V. V by V. V by V means volume by volume. Aqueous solution of ethanol. Here what is given in the question? Volume of aqueous solution, that is equal to 200 ml. Then volume percentage is equal to 20%. Then here what is asking means the volume of the ethanol is asking. But you know the formula of volume percentage is equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Volume percentage, that is equal to 20. 20 is equal to volume of solute, that is ethanol, by volume of solution that is equal to 200 into 100. So you have to cancel 200 and 100. So and then you have to cross multiply 20 into 2. Here you can get the answer 20 into 2, that is equal to 40 ml. So the volume of ethanol that is equal to 40 ml. Yes, now come to the assignment. First one, a solution was prepared by dissolving 25 gram of sugar in 100 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of solute. The second one, find the amount of urea which is to be dissolved in water to get 500 gram of 10 percentage of W by W aqueous solution. So these problems you have to work out in a fair note. Okay, you have to learn these problems and you have to work out all the problems in one time. Okay students, thank you.